I early segment type party now, you know? We kick it off like crazy. Early segment, people them out, you know? Bring a dragon community. How this? I big artist. Alright, hold this now. Yeah, hold go.
Yeah, you're so good enough.
Yeah. Come to rhythm, dog.
Pull it up, I pull up rhythm, man.
Oh.
Right, again, there you go.
Andrew, free up the place, guy. No case, you see? Wow.
Nah, nearly ring out him back, huh?
Stage number. Stage number, what up? Yeah.
The next day.
Yo, CJ, yo, dog, I want with that dog.
You ask me that, dog. How I go on?
But dog, you know say you don't have no clothes, dog. How I go on?
But you don't have on now. Where beats them there?
My beats them.
Somebody rob me.
That me I wonder, dog. How I go on?
Tell you about the drinking in a dog.
Then look where you have the ground there, somebody you see come like it's a crate of liquor you drink.